Federation of Khasi Jantiya Garo People, FKJGP, campaigned to conduct a Masipal business license check in the city's Keating Road on Tuesday. Investigation found that a lot of shops in the area are running without business license, and there are some shops that have licenses, but they did not get the license renewed for a long time. After the investigation, FKJGP members, while talking to the media, told that he will meet the CEO of the Shillong Municipal Board regarding this matter and will ask why do not investigate such activities, and why does Masipal Board not take action at shops with no business license.
You have to. We came here from the FKJP central body, as well from the FKJP multi circle, to check the business license run by the different establishment here. So on this checking, we have found out that so many shops are running illegally without taking a license from the Shillong Municipal Board, and as well to those shops who have registered who got the license from the Shillong Municipal Board, but they didn't renew the license. One shop or two shop are there that they have taken the license in the year 2010, but they haven't registered the license since 2010 till this year. So according to the terms and conditions of the Shillong Municipal Board, the shops who are running illegally, they'll have to pay 50 rupees per day, and those shops who didn't renew till this year, from that particular year, they'll have to pay a fine of rupees 500 per year. I think this is a very less price that the department put to the establishment that run illegally, or to the establishment who didn't renew the license. That we from the FKJP, we request, or will on this day, or day after tomorrow, will go and meet the CEO of the Shillong Municipal Board to discuss this issue.
How many shops were closed down today?
According to us, because the officials from the Shillong Municipal Board also are with us today, and they have taken the numbers and all, and I think they'll submit to us how many numbers are there, because till now they left from this place.
Well, since we have seen that municipal board is going quite lethargic about these shops paying license fees or renewing their fees. So, will you talk to them, or any stringent action will you take in this regard?
Yeah, obviously we as the organization who look after the welfare, good and welfare of the society, I think we have to give a strict warning to the CEO that from their side also they should, like, the license have to renew every year. So from the department, at least once a year they have to come and check the license.
What about this? This we have seen that a lot of people have actually taken this lands, and we have seen encroachment has happened, and they have taken the lands without permission. If you can say about it.
I think from the CEO side also will have to look after this, and I think there's so many the encroachment we have. I think you also from the press side, you have took the video and all. So from our side, we'll pressure the CEO that he must take strict action against them.
Okay. Keating, are you?
Khao Kuparnong si Chief Organizing Secretary, FKJP Central Body.
Okay, thanks.